Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll explore 4 effective methods to transfer photos and videos from your Android phone to your PC. Let's get started. Method 1. Using MobiKin Assistant for Android. Visit the MobiKin website to download MobiKin Assistant for Android and install it on your computer. After installation, open the software. Use a USB cable to connect your Android phone to your PC. Make sure your phone is unlocked and select File Transfer Mode on your phone. The software will automatically detect your device and display its information. In the left menu, click on Photos or Videos to view all media files on your device. Select the photos and videos you want to transfer. Click the Export button at the top. Choose the destination folder on your PC and confirm to start the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, the files will be accessible on your PC. Method 2. Using Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your phone, upload the photos and videos you want to transfer, and then log into the same account on your computer to download the files. Method 3. Using Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on both your computer and phone. Pair the devices, select the files you want to transfer, and send them via Bluetooth. Method 4. Using USB. Simply connect your phone to your computer via USB, select File Transfer Mode, and drag and drop the photos and videos into a folder on your PC. I hope these methods help you easily transfer your photos and videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.